Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas day 4, I think. I didn't really vlog for Vlogmas day 3, but hopefully we'll see how the rest of this week goes. Today I am planning on doing a self-care routine slash self-pamper night kind of thing for the day 4. Today is Sunday, and on Sundays I like to do something a little bit special to just get ready and reset for the weekend. Also, I didn't show you guys this, but I did my nails yesterday, and I might put it in Vlogmas day 2. I might combine them, but me and my friends, we had like a little girls' night, and I did my nails, and I just think they're so cute. It's so cute. Yeah, anyways, so let me know if you guys want to see like how I do my nails and stuff like that, because I use Gel X, and it's a whole process, so I feel like I could definitely do a whole nother video on that when I do them next time. So in this video I'm probably going to clean my room. I'll probably do some things for my hair, skin, journaling, maybe reading, we'll see, and definitely just take like a really nice long shower and get ready for bed and maybe put some Christmas music on. I don't know what I'm gonna do, honestly, but I just want to kind of come here and let you guys know what I'm about to do, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so to start off cleaning my room, I just cleaned off my desk. First and foremost, my bed was pretty much already made and everything else, but my desk was a mess, so I just kind of organized that and wiped it off. And then I organized the inside, which holds all my makeup and makeup products, and as you can see, I kind of wiped them off, cleaned them off because they get dirty when you're throwing them around every day. I at least try to do this like once every 2 weeks because it can get very unorganized. So last thing for cleaning my room, I just like swept down the rug, which works really well for hair that gets caught in the rug, and then I vacuumed it with this vacuum. So last, I just had to put a scent wax melt in the wax melter because it smelled so good. Guys, okay, so first things first in my shower routine, I go in with the Native body wash, coconut and vanilla, and it is so nice because it has a really nice lather and it's really moisturizing. And before anyone says anything, I have a bikini top on, I'm not completely naked. And now I'm just showing some of the other products that I use in the shower. I use bar soap and exfoliating gloves, and as you can see, you can pretty much see what I use, but also the Dove macadamia body scrub, body polish is really good. I love using that. Once I get out of the shower, I use body oil. Really, any body oil will work. This one's from Dollar General, and the EOS vanilla cashmere lotion. Using the Sugar Beauty Hydrating Cleanser, which is actually my brand, coming out in 2023. I'll let you guys know more about that when I get more information. But so now I'm going in with the Ordinary face mask, which is AHA and BHA exfoliant, and it's very strong, so I only do it like once every 2 or 3 weeks, but it really clears up your breakouts. And if you do use it, make sure you use sunscreen in the morning after or whenever you use it, because it's very strong. And of course, as you can see, Cam wanted to join in on the face mask, so I did the same skincare routine that I do on myself on his skin. So yeah, we're going in with the hydrating cleanser and then BHA exfoliant. Okay, so now I'm going to wash it off. After I rinse off the mask, I like to use hyaluronic acid serum to kind of retain moisture. Make sure if you do use this, you're using like a spray toner or wetting your face so it can be damp and the hyaluronic acid can absorb any moisture that's on your skin, because that's what its purpose is, and it really helps with restoring your skin barrier and stuff like that. So as you can see, I'm just kind of putting that all over my face and neck, and then I'm going in with the Sugar Beauty oil-free moisturizer. And let me tell you guys, this one is very moisturizing and it's very thick, so it took me a while to work that in to my skin. After that, I'm just brushing my teeth very aggressively, it seems. And then I use a mouthwash. I forgot what it's called. It's like I showed it in the video, but I'll put it in the description bar, because yeah. So now I'm using a lip scrub. This one is from the beauty supply store, just a regular coconut and vanilla lip scrub. If you can't tell, I love coconut and vanilla scents. And let me tell you guys, it's so waxy and aggressive, abrasive, that's the word I'm looking for. But it moisturizes my lips so well. Well, not moisturizes, it exfoliates my lips so well. So I'm really working that into my lips. And after I rinse that off, I'm using the Laneige lip sleeping mask, which I mentioned in my last video. And y'all know I love this product, so I use it pretty much every day. And as you can see, I'm just dancing because why not? After that, I go ahead and do the same skin routine that I did on myself with Cam, kind of teaching him a little bit about skincare and how to take care of his skin. Okay, so I just finished doing the face masks, and now I'm about to do these like under eye masks, and I'm going to do some like hair care too for my braids, because I think it's important if you have a protective style to moisturize your hair underneath it and take care of the protective style to make it last as long as possible. I personally did my own hair, and as somebody who does their own hair, I want it to last so I don't have to do it again. So this is how you kind of like take care of it a little bit, besides wrapping it every night and stuff like that. But make sure that you're hydrating your hair underneath the braids or in between the braids, and make sure you're keeping your scalp healthy and everything like that. So yeah, I'm about to do these masks. Ooh, it's dripping. I got this from Ross. I don't even remember the brand because I threw away the box, but it came with 5 of these, and I'm sure you can really get them anywhere. I'm gonna look up the directions online because I really do not know if you're supposed to like, well, I mean, I know how to do it, but I don't know if you're supposed to like rinse the serum off. It's jelly. I've had these in the fridge for like 3 weeks, literally, so they're still cold and they feel really nice. I just realized I've been filming this entire time and I didn't do anything for my hair. Okay, so to hydrate my hair, I'm using the Talia Waheed. There we go. I'm using the Talia Waheed Shea Cocoa Conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and this product, I'm almost out of it, but it's so good. All of her products are really good and moisturizing. Whenever my hair is in its natural state, I use this curling cream by her, and you can also use it on braids because it's kind of like a waxy consistency. And then I'm going to use this Design Essentials mousse on the strand of my braids in the ends that have the curls to kind of like just, yeah, keep them in order. And then I'm using, okay, so at first I got this hair oil from a small business called Allurium Beauty. I ran out, so now I kind of just made a concoction and put it in this bottle. It's kind of similar. Once I get enough money, I'm going to buy the actual product again, but until then, this is just a mixture of castor oil, tea tree oil, and vitamin E oil, and I use this on my scalp. light nighttime type of going to sleep cozy perfume. This is what I usually put on. As you can see, it's almost gone, but it's like my favorite nighttime cozy perfume. The longevity is not that great, which is why I use it at nighttime, but it smells really good and cozy. It's called the Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere by Philosophy, and it smells really good. So it goes really well with the lotion that I put on earlier, which was vanilla cashmere lotion that I used. It's almost identical in fragrance. I will say the lotion is definitely a little more sweeter, cupcake-like, and this one is more warm, like fireside marshmallow. That's what I'm getting from this one. But yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do a perfume haul or collection, because you know what, I'm gonna do it anyways, whether y'all want it or not. Okay, so next I'm going to do some mental self-care, and I think that mental self-care is really important for your overall well-being. I think it's really nice and fun to do the face masks and you know, all the beauty stuff, but if your internal well-being is disrupted, then that's going to affect your daily life. So for mental self-care, I think that reading self-help books is good, journaling, listing things you're grateful for. Personally, I have a gratitude journal, which I'm going to write in. I have this gratitude journal that I like to write in, and then sometimes I'll journal about my day, but I don't think I'm gonna do that today. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do that and read some of the new book that I got, which is called Homebody by Rupi Kaur. Fun fact, I actually got this at a Goodwill. I don't know why this was at a Goodwill considering it's such a new book, but I'm not mad at it. I only paid like $1.25, and I'm really excited to start this book and kind of delve into my gratitude journal. It's time to be real. From my book.